In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Shein website efficiently and sign out from your account. This is a simple process, but it's helpful to review the steps to ensure you can do it smoothly and without any issues. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your internet browser. This can be any browser of your choice, such as Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Once there, type Shein into the search bar to bring up the site's homepage. Alternatively, you can directly type in the website URL if you're familiar with it. You'll know you're in the right place when you see that familiar Shein interface with all the latest fashion trends and deals popping up at you. Once you're on the Shein homepage, it's time to focus on the top right corner of the page. Move your attention there and you'll see an option labeled Personal Center. This is the area where you can manage your account details, view orders, and of course, sign out. Now to sign out, take your mouse and hover over the Personal Center option. It's crucial to do this step with care, as hovering over it will reveal a drop-down menu displaying additional options related to your account management. With the menu visible, look for the Sign Out option. It's generally toward the bottom of this list, so keep an eye out as you scroll down with your mouse. Once you locate the Sign Out option, go ahead and click on it. Clicking Sign Out will immediately log you out of your account, bringing you back to the Shein homepage or a similar page indicating that you're no longer signed in. It's a good practice to always log out of your account when you're done, especially if you're using a shared or public computer to protect your personal information. And with that final click, you're all set. You've successfully signed out of your account. Such a small step, but an important one to remember in managing your online presence securely. We've now reached the end of this tutorial. Signing out is one of those steps that's easy to overlook but crucial for maintaining your online security. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out the additional resources available on the Shein website or in your account's help section. See you next time.